Seagull Blue. Wishes tied away, carrying Mum and Dad off, with Seagull Blue's touch in the dawn. Through the open window I hear familiar voices, whisper weaved from long breakers and rain. Salt light rubs its wings against the bedroom wall, sheds momentary melancholy on morning's mirror. Nearer the sea, Mum and Dad are gardening, locked fast forever inside a dream with fossil gates. The sounds of fossils are soft sighs underfoot as pebbles ring with waves. A seagull glides by, alarmingly white, chalk chipped off the cliff face of the clouds. The sea will not leave the floating land alone, seagull blue circling in my mind's sky. Slowly Sue stoops to pick a fossil. Within her kick future babies, Bex, Toby, soon sometime to be. And in Mum and Dad's dream distant garden, shadowed buds are breaking into light. In my thoughts plot, I stall above blossoming futures as the fossils of the world hide under tides. Seagull Blue, whisper familiar voices. Everyone knows that there are only white seagulls. You must discover soon, our son, the laws by which blue gulls live.